Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to show you how to install the Harbor Freight motorcycle wheel vise. This is the upgraded one to the little clamp that comes with the table. In the box you get your hardware, your instructions, and additional drilling guides and instruction sheets. And here are all the parts that come in the box. You have your two side clamps, the front stop, and the winch. Using the instruction sheets and the label position guide, you can go ahead and tape the drill guides to the table using the existing 3 holes to line them up. And with the templates laid out, we can go ahead and start drilling. We're going to go ahead and use a 1/8 inch drill bit to start and then follow it up with a bigger bit. You may also want to have some oil on hand. WD-40 will work, but it'll make drilling a lot easier and lubricate the bit. Once you have all your pilot holes drilled, you can come back with your bigger drill bit. This is a 13/32 drill bit. Once you have all your holes drilled, you can go ahead and remove your drill guide and clean up all your shaving. After you get your holes drilled, you're going to take a 17mm socket and unscrew the crank that is on backwards. You need to reposition it. So go ahead and flip it out. It's slotted, so it slots on. And then place your washer on the outside. And that's for your nut. You can go ahead and tighten this back up. And once that's tight and secure, you can move on to the next step. Locate the sliding jaw, the one with the 4 holes. You can tell the difference because it doesn't have the bottom base plate. You'll also need the 4 M8x16 bolts. Go ahead and start those. Once you have them all started, you can go ahead and secure them with a 14mm bolt. And then you have your side assembled. Now you can move on to the other side and get your front stop and the pin. And go ahead and insert that into the tube. And drop your pin in. Once you have your clamps lined up, you can go ahead and start inserting your bolts. Remember, bolt goes in from the top, the washer, and then the nut go on from the bottom. Now with all your bolts tight, you should be able to operate the vise and see your clamp work. Make sure everything's tight and secure, and we're ready to test it. And comparing to the old one, you can see how much more grip on the tire it has, and it's definitely showing that it's a lot more stable. The bike is not strapped down yet, and I would not feel this comfortable using the old one. So it's definitely an upgrade, and it's immensely easier to tighten down using the crank and actually put some decent torque on it, so to make sure that your bike is nice and secure. So I would still recommend strapping them down with tethers and straps. This is definitely an upgrade compared to the factory vise that comes with the lift table. So is it worth it? I'm gonna say yeah. For the price that it is, it's worth the security to make sure the bike's a little extra secure and stable, and it does help a little bit getting it on the lift and making it a little easier for you if you're doing it frequently. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, don't forget to hit subscribe and like the video.